bag can really make your whole outfit pop and make it look so much more put together and so much more nicer. So today we're going to be styling one not so basic statement bag with 4 different outfits. Now you guys know that I really enjoy multi-purposing things that I have and getting maximum use out of whatever I have, and styling one difficult to style bag with different outfits is going to be the perfect opportunity to do that. I hope you guys like these outfits and what I come up with, and let me know if you have any other ideas in the comment section down below. Please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoy this video, and with all that said, let's get started. So the bag I will be styling today is this stunning piece by Zouk. A very big thank you to Zouk for sending me this gorgeous bag. They are very unique because they use these very beautiful ikat and khadi fabric designs. It's an Indian brand, handmade, it's a woman-owned business, so great stuff there. Let me just do a quick review of this bag before we begin styling it. I really love the design of this bag. It's very unique, very different from anything I've seen or have had before. It's a perfect Indo-Western mix, so it goes with a bunch of different outfits in your wardrobe. I did not want something too traditional looking because then you kind of limit your usability, so I wanted something that I can wear both with Western as well as Indian outfits. The quality of this bag is really nice, like it's really well made. It's sturdy, you know those things which you can hold and tell that it's good quality. This is definitely one of those things, and I can tell for sure that it's going to last me a very long time. The quality of the zip is really nice, and inside they have another zip pocket on one side and 2 small pockets on the other side, and it also comes with a shoulder strap in case you want to hold it as a shoulder bag. Next, coming to the size, it is honestly pretty big. I think face to scale. Inside it's very spacious. It is able to hold my huge ass 1.5 liter water bottle and a bunch of other things as well. So it's pretty big, pretty spacious if you want to carry a lot of stuff. Because we do carry a lot of stuff, we need to have our whole world inside our bag. And yeah, it's really well made, really sturdy and good quality stuff. Now let's talk about the material. As I already said, it's made out of fabric and vegan leather. Now, as someone who talks about sustainability every now and then on this channel, it's a tough choice honestly between vegan leather and real leather. On one hand, real leather which lasts literally years versus vegan leather which is basically plastic. To me personally, I would always want to go for vegan leather. Buy a very good quality vegan leather which will last a very long time so that I can use it for many years without having to send it to a landfill. Majority of this bag is still fabric, so a big yay for that. It's handmade, it's made in India. That's all great stuff. And for now, fake leather used for a long time, taken care of really well so that I don't need to dispose it off anytime soon. And yeah, if you guys are more interested in knowing more about this whole vegan leather versus real leather discussion, then it's really interesting. I will link some articles in the description down below which lists out both the pros and cons of either side, just for you to know what's up, you know. So yeah, just if you're curious, you can check those articles down below. I'm so happy to be partnering with Zouk to bring you a 15% discount on their range of handbags, tote bags, wallets, laptop bags and other accessories. You can use my code MEGHLIANA15 to avail the discount. All the links, details and the coupon code will be linked in the description down below if you want to check them out. So now let's move into the exciting part of this video, which is styling this bag. I'm going to be doing 4 outfits: casual, fancy, ethnic and a wild card outfit. You guys will have to stay tuned to find out what that is, but it's honestly my favorite one, so please do stick around till the end. And yeah, let's go and start styling outfit number 1.
So for the casual look, I decided to keep the outfit very simple. When I was styling something heavily printed, you can never go wrong keeping the outfit very simple. So I went all black. You can go all white, all beige, or even like a colored monochromatic look. This outfit is perfect for running errands. I don't know what to do, like going to the post office, going to the bank, going shopping, stuff like that, you know. It's casual, comfy, but still very stylish. For the jewelry, I've kept it simple with casual gold jewelry and sunglasses to make it even more stylish and chic. For our fancy look, I decided to go for this tan skirt paired with this scarf that I actually tied into a tube top. I'm really into these scarf tops lately, taking full advantage of being part of the Itty Bitty Chitty Committee, and I just tied it together and pinned it with my bra to avoid any accidents. and there's a really pretty brown and orangey print on the scarf that goes really well with the bag, completed with brown shoes and an orangey red lip. Moving on to our desi look, I'm wearing this blue ethnic dress that has orange and white floral designs all over it, which goes really well with the blue, orange and white on the back, completed with orange shoes and white earrings that again go well with the bag, winged eyeliner and a little black bindi to complete our desi girl look. Slicked my hair back into a low loose bun to show off my earrings. I love these earrings so much, and surprisingly the print on the bag does not clash with the print on the dress, and I think they go really well together actually. And finally we have our retro modern look. So I put on this beige plain dress with really pretty buttons in the front, and I put my hair up into a braid along with a headscarf which has orange, blue and green flowers which go well with the colors on the bag, completed with orange heels, winged eyeliner, a red lip and simple jewelry. And I think all together this outfit looks so cute and wearable even today without it looking too costumey. I love